Alright, now for some basic rules of integration. Integrals are linear. What this means is that we can, well, it's a lot like a derivative. I didn't explain this in my derivative videos, but if we do something like that, the derivative is the sum of these, so like that. If you multiply by a constant, the integral is the same. Let's assume that f and g are functions, then f dx plus g dx. If we multiply by a constant, we can apply that to integrals as well. And now for the most basic, if we take the integral of x to the n dx, this is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. And if we were to differentiate this, well, the c term is a constant and the derivative of a constant is 0, but if we differentiate this term, we get x to the n plus 1 times x to the n plus 1 minus 1, or x to the n, divided by n plus 1, which is just x to the n, so that's what we're looking for. It cancels out and gives us the original function. So our x to the n is then just x to the n plus 1 over x n plus 1 plus c. Integrals or antiderivatives are the opposite of derivatives, as I just kind of shown. If you take the derivative of the integral, you end up with the original function. And that's known as the fundamental theorem of calculus, that they're basically inverses, they undo each other. There's a couple special integrals. Sine of x is equal to minus cosine of x plus c. Cosine of x is equal to the sine of x plus c. E to the x is just e to the x plus some constant. We're assuming these are indefinite, so the bounds of integration are not defined. And then there's 1 over x. 1 over x, you would think you could use the power rule, but this is x to the minus 1. In another video, I made the mistake of assuming that the power rule didn't work when finding a derivative. That wasn't the case. It's when you try to find the integral of this, because when you add 1 to that, you get gibberish. This would just be x to the 0 divided by 0, and you cannot divide by 0, which is the sin of mathematics. So you have to take the natural log of, you get the natural log. If you integrate another exponential other than e to the x, you get the exponential again divided by the natural log of a. These are the basic integrals. The basic power rule is right here. For example, if we have x squared, if we take the integral of that, it's x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 x cubed over 3. We can also do square roots. So x to the 1/2 plus 1 over x to the 1/2, no, sorry, there's no x there, 1/2 plus 1 x to the 3/2 over 3/2, or 2x divided by 3. Whoops. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.